Hi everyone, this is Hina Beg and I'm a solution therapist. I'm the host of this podcast, Just Talk Therapy. Thank you for listening and for your time. Today I would like to welcome each one of you to the wrap up episode of Season 5, The Pod Writer. It was indeed an insightful season, especially for all the podcasters. The tips shared by each guest is helpful and will save time. It will also help us to organize and execute each episode flawlessly. The experience shared by them is worth listening. How they coped with their low moments and trauma in their personal life, and how they believed in themselves step by step is inspirational. It had been tough, for sure, but determination and discipline made them move forward progressively. I would like to take this opportunity to thank a special guest in this season with their mission. Our first guest, Ms. Krista Ziomara from USA, whose mission is to ensure and create space for others where they feel supported in their journey of life. Mr. JD from USA, whose mission is to build a wellness community where each one could feel supported as they strive to live healthier lives. Our next guest, Mrs. Abigail from USA, whose mission is to unite and understand people so that the world heals by listening and sharing. Next, from India, we had Mr. Meghal R.D., whose mission is to spread awareness that progress in life is possible by loving themselves first. Then we had Mr. Christopher Tedesco and Mr. William Mealy from USA, who shared their motto to advocate mindfulness. As all behavior is a form of communication, they believed, and that professionalism should not mean that one should stop acting human. Finally, from India, we had Mr. Shan, who shared his mission, and that is to bring tools and communication in the form of empowering conversations with warriors, teachers, and healers so that we all can learn, heal, and grow together. Each guest in this episode hosts their own podcast, advocating their mission, their motto, and podcasting with a purpose. In case if you have missed out on any episode, I would highly recommend to please go and listen to each guest, to listen and learn from the small details they have shared, which may benefit us in some way or the other. On that note, I end this season with few takeaway tips that one should have and keep in mind, especially while podcasting, and they are: we should all have a purpose, commitment, consistency, a plan, basic equipments in working conditions while podcasting, and last but not the least, to keep moving ahead in life with self belief. Patience is needed and is the key ingredient to see the result. So, never to give up and have that attitude. With that, I take my leave. Next week, a new chapter will unfold. So, please do tune in. Till then, take care and be safe. Bye.